This is a Math Mini lesson on adding and subtracting rational numbers. Remember, rational numbers are fractions and decimals. So when you have fractions, for example, if I have 2/3 plus, I don't know, 1/4, okay, you have to have a common denominator. Okay, and the easiest way to find a common denominator is to figure out what number both of 3 and 4 go into, and they both go into 12. So you have to find 4 times what number is 12? So 4 times 3 is 12. Why are you ready? There we go. And 3 times 4 is 12. So I need to multiply that fraction by 4 over 4 and this fraction by 3 over 3. So when you multiply fractions, you multiply across. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. And now if you have common denominators, then you can add the numerators. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So 2/3 plus 1/4 is 11 over 12. And if you need to simplify, that would be the point where you simplify. If you were given a mixed number like 1 and, let me get a different color, 1 3/4, right? To change a mixed number to an improper fraction, remember you multiply 4 times 1, and then you add 3. So 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7 over 4. You have to do that before you start finding a common denominator or adding the numerators. When there's negatives and positives involved in fractions, you use your integer rules, right? So you use integer rules. And there's another video talking about your integer rules if you forget what those are. Decimals, same thing. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. So if you have negative 1.2 plus negative 3.7, all you have to do is line them up. Remember, you need to be able to do this without a calculator. There is a section where you cannot use a calculator, and this could be one problem that shows up. So add the numbers, keep the sign. Negative 1.2 plus negative 3.7 is negative 4.9. Decimals are easy if you remember your integer rules here as well. And that is it for adding and subtracting rational numbers.